Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we've got here is the Nova Wesley, the Nova 2 and the Nova 2 Mark II drive belts for those that are struggling out there to get the drive belt itself. Part number Mdr001855, and that's the Mark II with the hard blue lid, and this is the Mark 1 with multicoloured type lids, green, blue, red and so on. Thank you very much, Qservices. Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is the drive belt for the Wesley Hurricane. Stainless steel lid machine. The part number itself Mdr001900, and that is for this stainless steel type machine with the stainless steel lid. Hurricane Wesley. Thank you very much, Qservices.